Michael. I'm here with Paula today, who had just had her floors done by Express Flooring. How are you doing today, Paula?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. So tell me, how was your experience with your design consultant who came into your home?
He was awesome. He even came back a second time for me because I wasn't sure of the color because it's a
great.
rental home, and he was just amazing.
And did he help you choose the color?
Yes, he did. He actually
nice.
did. He laid them all out, and I put them up against the tile and the new paint that I had just changed my mind. And he helped me pick out the color, which I think is amazing.
I love the way it is,
Yeah,
the contrast between the tile and the carpet right there.
I think it's all neutrals, and I think it'll make it sell quicker.
Yeah, it definitely blended very, very well.
Yeah.
And then how were your installers who came in?
They were very good. There was a huge crew. They were all over the place all at the same time. But they were very efficient. They laid everything out on the driveway, cut it all before they brought it in, and they were very careful of my new paint job.
Oh, great.
So I was very happy with
them. That's super amazing. And then how was your overall experience with Express Flooring then?
It was very good. The pricing was definitely comparable, if not below all the competitors.
Oh, great.
And I was happy with the quality and the crew.
Oh, that's great. And then would you refer your friends and family with Express Flooring?
Yes.
Oh.
Actually, I was referred by a neighbor, and I thanked her for referring me.
Oh, super great.
Yeah, so.
Well, thank you so much, Paula, for taking your time with me today, and you enjoy the rest of your week, okay?
Thank you. I will.
Thanks.
Thanks.